Manual claim reviews are slow and messy. It can cause delays, errors, and burnout. HIP 1 streamlines every step of the claim review process. Step 1. Upload documents from any source PDFs, EMRs, or faxes. It all starts here. Step 2. Extract key data instantly. OCR and NLP pull critical fields, organize pages, and group content by clinical category. Step 3. Auto-answer clinical checklists. HIP 1's DSS plus Nurse Copilot offer intelligent suggestions based on CMS guidelines and patient context. Reviewers remain in control, always confirming or editing final answers. Step 4. Finalize and submit confidently. Approve, deny, or request more info. HIP 1 captures the full review journey. Monitor activity, customize roles, track progress, built-in tools that keep your team in sync. Every review is audit-ready. Every step is tracked. Save hours per review. Increase reviewer accuracy. HIP 1 is built for how real teams work. Book your demo today at Genzeon.com.